Hey there everyone, my name is Pritam and I welcome you all to this WordPress beginner tutorial series. In today's video, we will see how we can set up theme in our WordPress website and make it beautiful. In our last video, we saw how we can set up the WordPress website in Localhost for completely free. If you want to see that video, then I'm gonna put that video link in the description of this video. Okay, coming back to today's topic, how we can set up a theme. For that, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to open your internet browser and you need to type URL of your WordPress website. As you can see, I have already entered the URL for this website. Now I will be typing here admin. So what admin will do is admin will open your WordPress credential page. There you need to enter your user ID and password. Now here we are at our dashboard. So what we need to do now is we need to click here on appearance and then click on themes. It also may be possible that you are in another page like this. So you can always click here on user blog and can click on themes. So in this way also guys, we can reach to this theme page. Now here you can see by default we have 3 themes, but generally these default themes are of no use. So let me quickly show you some of very popular theme that you can utilize with your WordPress website. Okay, so let's click here on add new theme and now look for Astra theme. So Astra theme is one of very popular theme available in WordPress, and you can see its popularity by seeing 5297 almost 5-star ratings. So in order to install this theme, we simply need to click here on install. Let's wait for a while. And there we go, we have successfully installed it. Now let's go back and let me click on refresh and let's actually have a look on how my home page look like. So this is the way currently my home page look like, and let's say you want to set up a blog website. So now I can actually activate this Astra theme and let me actually now refresh it. So here we go. Just by activating theme, we saw the dramatical change in the way our home page look. And now what we need to do is we need to click here on widgets. Now let me click here on customize, and there we go. Here I can see this is the way now the page look like, and you can always click here on edit and can edit these things. So let me click here back, and now let me click on publish. So now after we published, let me again refresh this, and there we go. Now this is the way this whole page look like. And if you want to change its appearance, then again you can click on customize, and one by one you can change these values. For example, if you do not like this kind of typography, you can change the font. Okay, and then you have furthermore customization option. For example, you want to change the body font, you can do that. If you want to change heading font, you can do that, and likewise we have so many types of customization available here. So just play with these settings and create your masterpiece. So in this way guys, we can download or apply theme inside WordPress. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If you have got any kind of questions or doubt in your mind, please feel free to ask questions in comment down below, and I will try to respond to your question as soon as possible. And also be sure to subscribe to this channel to follow more tutorial on WordPress in 2023. And I will catch you in my another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.